today's vlog, we're gonna cook our favorite... Mali.
Our favorite.
Yes. Hello, everybody. Yes, welcome po tayo for our hashtag Galawang Kusina. Yes, in today's vlog, we're gonna cook our favorite Filipino snack. Yan. This is what we call Binangkal. Binangkal is a type of a donut from the island of Visayas and Mindanao in the Philippines. It is made from deep fried dense dough balls coated with sesame seeds. It is usually eaten now with our favorite Filipinos.
So in English term,
Yeah, in the English term of it, it is a sesame-covered baking powder donut that is shaped and as small as a ping pong ball, and it is a deep fried until crisp and brown on the outside. It looks like a dim sum, which gives us a hint of a Chinese influence. But here we go. This is our ingredients to make
Okay.
our binangkal.
so what are the ingredients? So all you need to have is
Yes, the
all-purpose flour
all-purpose flour, and
and
then 2 pieces of eggs.
to make it soft,
Yeah, and gagamitan natin ng, syempre,
baking soda,
yes, the baking soda.
baking powder,
Yeah,
salt,
yes,
sesame seeds, vanilla extract,
yeah,
and
the
evaporated
evaporated
milk.
milk.
So
Yes, let's start our
let's start.
binangkal.
We
So first, let's all prepare our main ingredients. We will,
start with the
Start
dry
with-
ingredients.
yes, 1. Kailangan natin
2 cups, 2 and 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
So this is our cups. Just make it full. 2. And then, let's prepare for the 3/4.
Okay, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's like little salt. Kunti lang. Oops. Oops. Okay na. So now we're gonna do the 1 cup brown sugar. So we don't have the brown sugar, so we use the white sugar.
Post mo
The
ako.
next,
Post mo muna. Ayan.
okay, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and then
Tapos,
2 teaspoon of baking powder.
post. Next.
And then 2 tablespoon cooking oil. 2 kutsara ng cooking oil. So now we're going to set aside the dry ingredients.
Ano? Okay.
So now let's go to the wet
let's all prepare.
ingredients. Okay, so now we need to have 2 eggs. But you can also put the oil there, the wet ingredients. Sorry, but we already put it in the dry ingredients.
We actually,
Sorry for the
pwede mo yan
mistake. But
siya-
it's fine because you're gonna mix it later.
Pwede man yan yung bawa. Dalawa. Tapos,
And then 1 teaspoon vanilla.
kung pangit yung salita natin dyan, i-ano mo na lang.
1/2 teaspoon. Teaspoon na nga, konti lang. Okay. And then 2/3 cup evaporated milk.
2/3.
mix mo na yung mix the wet ingredients. And after you mix the ingredients, combine the flour, salt, brown sugar, baking soda, and baking powder, and mix it all together.
Tayo, kung paano siya ginawa. Tapos i-ano.
Pwede na yan.
Dressings yun, okay.
Iba na plinsa.
Yung gamitan.
And then, this one, she will put the sticky sweet coconut or sweet coconut that we call it. What's it called? Anong pangalan?
Sweetened coconut.
Sweetened coconut. Ano sa Tagalog or Bisaya?
Bukayo.
Bukayo. Yan. May feeling siya. Buti pa yung binangkal may feelings. Hindi feelings ah. Going to check if it's already cooked. And this one is already cooked.
Kahit kung may malupit sa kabit. Wait! Tayo, kung paano siya ginawa. Tapos i-ano. Promise, oh. Maya na pumamove